Jai Hind. Dear friends, yesterday in the same lecture where Rahul Gandhi declared that our war is with the Indian state, the Maoist Naxalite slogan against the Indian state, he made another statement that it is an insult to the freedom fighters to say that India did not achieve independence on 15th August 1947. Well, the spokesperson for Rashtriya Sevak Sangh and Mohan Bhagwat ji will answer to his whatever objections he is raising. But Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as a historian, with all responsibility and documentation and evidences, I tell you that on 15th August 1947, India never achieved independence. What India got was on demand a dominion status. Should I start quoting the points and prove me I'm wrong? Pick up the minutes of Attlee's cabinet meeting of May 1947. I have not made those minutes. They are available online in British archives. They say that now the Congress leaders are saying that independence can wait, provided you give us a dominion status and transfer of power takes place immediately. Because they realized that it's difficult for them to manage. If you recall, it was stated that India will be given independence in a year's time, 1948, sometime July only. And then this Attlee cabinet minutes meeting say, this has made our task easy. Now I can create a Hindu dominion and a Muslim dominion. That are the dominions of Pakistan and dominion of India. Pick up the Government of India Gazette of 14th August 1947. Government of India of that time, the British government published it. I didn't publish it. And your Nehru, as Prime Minister of the interim government, was a party to this publication, which says India means dominion of India. Pakistan means dominion of Pakistan. Here is the document. All the hopes of the freedom fighters, revolutionaries, the Azad Hind Fauj, the naval uprising braves, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's dreams and efforts were shattered by the Congress leadership by agreeing to partition and by agreeing to have a dominion status. Our revolutionaries, Azad Hind Fauj and all, they never fought for a dominion status. They never fought for a divided, truncated India. They fought for a united India, a united Bharat. Come to the next document. There's a... Before the document, let me say, 15th August 1945, Lord Earl Mountbatten took the oath of India's first Governor General. These champions of Swadeshi of the Congress found a Britishers only be to their first Governor General, and in whose name Lord Mountbatten took the oath. He didn't take the oath in the name of Constituent Assembly. He took the oath in the name of King. if we were independent, why the first Governor General of India takes the oath in the name of King. And then you found even the Commander-in-Chief also a British, the Air Force Chief also a British, the Army Chief also is a British, as if there were no Indians available. And then come to the next document. In April 1948, the Prime Minister of Indian Dominion, Jawaharlal Nehru, here is the document, writes to the King, on behalf of the cabinet of your Dominion of India, I request you to permit us to appoint Rajgopalachari as the next Governor General of India when Mountbatten leaves. If we were independent, why was the King's permission needed to appoint the second Governor General of India? Answer me this. And then come to the other document, the London Gazette, the official Gazette of the British government. That's 24 June 48. Where it is gazetted that the British Emperor declares that from today, that is 24 June 1948, he will no more be the Emperor of India, nor his any successor will have any right to be the Emperor of India. What does that mean? That means that till 23rd June 1948, the British Emperor was the Emperor of India. So tell me, Rahul Gandhi, were we independent? Prove me wrong. Why are the volumes called transfer of power volumes? Why aren't they called volumes of Indian independence? In every document after 47, it's mentioned dominion. Even the Indo-Pak war is mentioned as the war between two dominions. Tell me, why did Mountbatten and Chachaji agreed on the date of 15th August 1947? What is so special about it? Every country accepts or celebrates the date of independence, either the day they had declared independence and fought for it, like the Americans, who declared independence on 4th of July, got it much later after a war, but celebrate it on 4th July. So what is so special about 15th August? Let me tell you that. 15th August was the day when Lord Mountbatten, as commander of the Allied forces in Southeast Asia, had taken the surrender of Japan. And the only government and the only army that did not surrender to the victorious British and Allied forces was Azad Hind Sarkar and Azad Hind Fauj under the leadership of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And Mountbatten could never forget that humiliation, so much so that on reaching Singapore, he ordered the destruction of the INA Memorial, which no army does for another army. There's something like a professional ethics. That's why the INA trials were kept in Red Fort. कि ये बहुत बात करते थे, हम दिल्ली दिल्ली जाएंगे, लाल किले पे झंडा लगाएंगे. We'll put up a tricolor on the Red Fort. If it was not a dominion, tell me, why did Gandhi want the British flag to be in our tricolor flag. Why? Can you answer this? Can you answer these questions? You can celebrate 10th May of 1857 when independence was declared. You can keep 31st December when on the Ravi banks in Lahore the Congress flag went up for Poon Swaraj. And don't tell me that there is no difference between dominion status and independence. If that difference would not have been there, then why Gandhi in the Calcutta session of 1928 opposed the amendment moved by Bose and Chacha Nehru yours of complete independence? Though Nehru sided with Gandhi, stabbed Bose in the back. And if they were the same, then why the Congress agreed in the Lahore session to bring in complete independence? Then why did Congress decide it on 26 January every year to celebrate it as an Independence Day? And again, why that was forgotten? Because on round table conferences, Gandhi again brought the dominion status issue. And that's what they demanded and got on 15th August 1947. I am challenging you with these evidences. I have given the photographs of the documents. If you can't read, you can't listen, and you can't think over them, I hope there would be some sensible person in your Congress organization which will at least teach you these things. Correct your history, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Jai Hind.